Making cement 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, here at Hanson Cement Ribblesdale Works takes its toll on both plant and equipment, not least in the kiln where temperatures of 1400 degrees are reached. Major maintenance needs to be carried out at least twice a year. This film shows you some of the work that was done in January 2014. Safety is a top priority, and it is not permitted to enter the plant or work on any equipment until all safety procedures have been carried out. The motors that power the machines have lockable switches fitted. The keys for these locks are kept in a cupboard. Each man has his own personal lock, which is fitted to the key cupboard. This prevents the machine from starting. The brick lining of the kiln becomes worn due to the high operating temperatures and the abrasive material passing over it. This lining needs to be replaced once or twice a year. A robotic wrecking machine is used to remove the bricks, which are then dropped into a dumper truck under the kiln. This equipment is called a reclaimer and takes limestone from the store to be ground into dust in the roller mill. The blades on the chain scrape the limestone across the floor onto conveyors. The chain links and the blades become worn and need to be replaced. Pins are removed from the links and each section of chain is replaced using a forklift truck. The chain consists of 240 links and 115 blades. The recent chain repair took 4 men 10 days at a cost of £39,000. Worn-out bricks have now been removed from the kiln. Before the new ones are fitted, the kiln shell is sandblasted to remove any remaining flaking rust. The operator is wearing protective clothing fitted with an air supply, which prevents the inhalation of the fine dust. The new bricks can now be fitted to the kiln shell. In the lower half of the kiln, the bricks are laid side by side and quick progress is made. But in the top half, every brick has to be held in place by a pneumatic ram to stop it from falling, until the last one is placed, which acts as a keystone in the arch. There is no mortar between the bricks. They are just held in place by the shape of the brick. The kiln shell is 58 metres long, and in the 2014 shutdown, 40 metres of refractory brickwork was renewed. There are about 170 bricks in each ring and 5 rings per metre. In 40 metres there are 34,000 bricks, which have to be fitted by hand. Altogether, the bricks weigh 200 tonnes, and the cost of replacing them amounts to £350,000. Gases are sucked through the system by large fans, which are slightly larger than the ones you may have at home in your bathroom. The blades of the fan become worn and have to be replaced. Each of the blades weigh 350 kilos and cost £800. Replacing the blades alone costs £6,400. The repairs to the fan in January 2014 totalled £112,000. 400 tonnes of water each day leave the chimney stack as steam. As the water cools in the atmosphere, the droplets form the white plume that can be seen coming from the chimney. The chimney stack is made of steel and it corrodes and occasionally requires repair. On this occasion, the top 45 metres needed to be repaired. The total height of the chimney is 90 metres and measures 3 metres in diameter. The cost of this repair was £90,000. This is the roller mill which grinds the limestone into dust. The gearbox weighs 40 tonnes and the input assembly needed to be sent away to a specialist company to be repaired. wide and complex production technique, using, in some cases, very heavy plant and equipment, is followed to produce high-quality cement here at Ribblesdale Works. This film has shown only a small part of the maintenance work carried out year on year to keep the equipment in perfect working order. As you see the cement truck leave the works, think of all the skills and commitment that made it possible.